faith, love, hope, and a hurricane. There is a quiet prayer hanging on a silver thread, spoken somewhere in a deep heart. There is a great love hanging like the silver moon on the black curtain of a long night. There is a strong hope chiselled into rock and stone along the banks of still waters and pastures green. And there is a young man at the edge of the road and a young woman at the edge of the sea. He looks at her and she at he in the wild wind. She holds to him and he to her in the hurricane.